Hello friends, just decided to do a quick movie. I haven't done one in so long, I've been so busy quilting, but I decided today I'm gonna whip up a quick Ladyfinger chocolate mousse with raspberries, making it up. It's more of an experimental, but I know all the components are yummy, so it'll be delicious. So I have these Ferrara Ladyfingers. He bought them on sale. They've been sitting there, and I was thinking, what can I make with those? So this was my Sunday experiment. So I'm taking these Ladyfingers, and I just dipped them in amaretto and some simple syrup. And you do it pretty quick because you don't want them to be all mushy. And I kind of just laid them all around with springform pan. And I lined that pan with some plastic wrap to make it easier to take out. Now I have 2 left. We're just gonna hide those in the bottom. And I'm just gonna put the rest of the liquid, use that up. And now I am going to take my chocolate pudding base that I made. Any chocolate pudding recipe that you like to use, you can make it homemade, you can make it out of a box, whatever your heart's desire. You make your favorite chocolate pudding recipe. This is the way I just do it quick when I have a quick dessert to make. And I ended up putting some melted dark chocolate in there just to kind of intensify. And then you whip some fresh whipped cream. And you're gonna put a blob in there, and you're just gonna mix it. Again, this is such an impromptu cooking video, but I decided, hey, someone may want to try to follow along with this one day. It is super yummy. If you have a chocolate cake laying around, you could use this and ice the chocolate cake with it. It's really good. Okay, so now we're going to put more in. And fold. Because this bowl's getting a little small, put it all in here. You know, I strive to try to make these videos good quality, all rehearsed, and then I started watching Julia Child, and I said, screw it, we're just gonna go with it. The only thing I'm missing is my glass of wine. And so we are going to fold. And we're almost there. Okay, so I don't know. This looks like there's a space. I can squeeze this one in. Yep. That's right. We could squeeze one more in. Okay, I'm going to pull this out then. We'll use that for something else. And we are going to stick all this in there. And we're going to cover this lightly with some plastic wrap. And stick this in the fridge, and right before serving, we're going to pop this open, and there's plastic wrap. Slide this onto a plate and dump a whole bunch of raspberries. I have a whole nother pint, and fill this up with raspberries. Bon appetit, have a great day.